Hey guys, what is up? It's your girl Samara, aka American Princess. If you are new to this,
keep it 100, nigga, nothing lesser. I got your bitch counting up the cheddar. Put 7 stitches on my motherfucking sweater. Balenciagas when I'm motherfucking stepping. Yeah. Shout out my cousin, he just beat a felony. I can't be fucking with niggas with jealousy.
run it back. Hey guys, what is up? It's your girl Samara, aka American Princess. If you are new to this channel, you already know what to do. You have to like, comment, and subscribe. But if you are already part of the family, you already know what to do. You have to keep on watching. In this video, I'm just gonna show you guys how to simply put curls in using a flat iron. Okay, so my curls literally fell down, and y'all, I recently just got my hair dyed, so as you guys can see, and my hair has gotten longer. Okay, I had to get it trimmed, so you know, your girl's feeling the look. I'm feeling it. I'm about to go out, so that is why I am looking cute. You know, you guys can't see the whole outfit, but I will definitely show you guys, or you guys can just go and follow me on Instagram. The link is also in the description box, as well as I'll put it right here in this area for y'all. But let's get into it. Before we do get started, I did place some hair protectant, so that is something that I'm not going to put in because I already did that off the camera. So don't come talking about, oh, I'm about to burn my hair and all that, because girl, I already got it. Thank you though. Thank you for, you know, caring, but your girl got it. But yeah, let's get into it. So I'm just gonna let me see. I'm gonna make sure that this is like on medium because I don't want it too hot. And my hair is already straight, so I'm not gonna put it all the way at the roots. And y'all see how I'm turning this way, and I'm just gonna turn it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and bam. So like these are like the curls that I'm looking for, y'all. I'm not looking for nothing that's like, this is like what I want. I'm just gonna do it again. So this is like the curls that I like. And guys, this is it. This is the curls that I wanted. These are like loose, kind of wavy. When they drop, it's gonna be cute. I like them like this. But I hope you guys enjoyed this short, little, easy tutorial. Pretty much with the flat iron, you're just basically pushing it away to yourself, and then you're just kind of curling it to your head if you want it like this. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. But if you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel, because it is free, F-R-E-E, none less, none more, okay, period. This is a Christmas holiday edition. I didn't do a vlog or a vlogmas, but I tried to put in a little bit. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this small, quick tutorial on how to make curls by using a flat iron. And on top of that, I hope you guys enjoyed your holidays with your loved ones and including yourself. And if you don't celebrate Christmas, that is all right. Happy holidays to you again. And without further ado, before I sign off, like my church always says, I love you and there's nothing that you can do about it, point blank, period. Signing off, bye.